Hello everyone, what is up and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. You would have seen in the thumbnail, so it's the iPhone 15 Pro Max unboxing. So of course I don't want to delay all of your time, so let's get started into the video and let's unbox the phone and let's talk more about it. Here's the 15 Pro Max and now let's flip it around. And now if you take a look on top here, this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max in the natural titanium color and 256GB of internal memory. So let's just lay it down here and let's pull this pull tab and unbox it. Break the seal and break this seal down right here. Now let's flip it around and it's time to open this phone. Let's go. Let's see how the natural titanium color looks like boxed. Oh, okay. The natural titanium color looks okay. That's a really solid color look here. Whoa, it's really solid. Let's put this phone aside for now. Oh, I thought there would be color match USB-C cables, but I guess all the phones get the same USB-C cables. I thought this was a slight bluish color for the 15 Pro, but I guess everyone gets the same color and there's no color braided loops. Just the usual documents right here. That's pretty much it for the box. Let's just put it back inside. Let's put it aside for now and let's take a look at the phone here. Let's remove this satisfying peel here, and then here we go, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. We've got the action button here, followed by the volume rockers, and then if we go down, we've got the USB-C port here, the first ever iPhone to come with USB-C, and then power buttons, and we've got the cameras right here. Now let's turn it on and play this phone for the first time ever. There we go. Phone is activating. Phone is turning on. Let me just take this debris off and let's wait for it to turn on. Okay, there we go. The phone is turned on. Let's open up. Let's just skip through the settings real quick. I just speed up the setting up process just to show all of you the first look into the phone. So we've got the 15 Pro Max, and of course this phone looks like just nice for my usage and a really pretty big phone. First look into the phone. So we've got the 15 Pro Max, and of course this phone looks a really pretty big phone, and so I always prefer my phones to be. Let's compare this with the 15 Pro right here, the 15 Pro right here, and that's the amount of size difference right there. If you look at it, it's just like a slight difference, but when you look at it, the difference is just really huge. The bezels are like really thin, but I feel like I can see the bezels more on the iPhone 15 Pro than the 15 Pro Max. Maybe is it because the screen size is bigger or what? I'm not really sure about that. In some camera angles, we can see that the 15 Pro Max looks as if it's like there's no bezels at the sides at all. That's really cool. That's actually been it for the unboxing of the 15 Pro Max. It's just a minimal unboxing. We just unbox, we just take a look, just compare it a bit here and there, and that's it. Because this is just the unboxing and I don't really have much to talk about this phone at all because I just got it in my hands. It's just been a few seconds and I don't want to talk much about it right now. This is an unboxing video and just to show all of you the phone right there. We're going to be doing extensive testing of these phones. We're going to be doing multiple testings and multiple videos, and we're going to be testing this phone against the 15 Pro, taking a look at the differences and taking a look at the battery life and much more. We're going to be taking a look at a lot of things, but of course if you want to watch that, what you're going to do, you're going to turn on the notification and of course subscribe to this channel. Whatever like and whatever comments you all give me really encourages me to spend more and get all the latest tech products so I can cover on this channel and of course help you make an informed decision on which tech product or whichever phone or whichever MacBook that you want to buy. With that, thank you so much for watching and I'll catch all of you in the next one. Bye.